Number 1. 1998 GMC Sierra 1500, price $5,800. This truck has approximately 168,000 miles on it and features an automatic transmission. It comes with a clean red exterior and a gray interior, and it runs on gasoline. Under the hood, it's powered by a strong 5.7L V8 engine that pairs with a solid transmission, both of which perform exceptionally well. The exterior has been recently repainted, giving the truck a fresh and vibrant look. Everything on the vehicle is in good working order, making it a reliable choice for driving or further restoration. According to the current owner, the truck is about 70% complete as part of an ongoing project that unfortunately they can no longer finish. This GMC Sierra includes a clean title in hand, making for a straightforward transfer to its next owner. It's a great opportunity for anyone looking to own a classic late 90s pickup with solid mechanicals and a nearly finished restoration. Number 2. 1988 Chevy Cheyenne, price $9,800. This truck is a well-preserved example of a classic American pickup, combining reliability with timeless style. It comes with a clean title and features a smooth-shifting automatic transmission, making it ideal for both city driving and highway cruising. The interior is exceptionally clean, showing clear signs that the truck has been well cared for over the years. Adding to its appeal are brand new rims and tires, which not only enhance its appearance but also ensure a safer and more comfortable driving experience. Mechanically, the truck is in excellent condition. With no known issues, it runs and drives flawlessly, offering dependable performance that's hard to find in a truck of this age. Number 3. 1984 Dodge W250, price $10,000. It comes equipped with an automatic transmission and a dependable 360 cubic inch V8 engine, delivering the kind of power and sound that enthusiasts appreciate. The body is in excellent shape for its age, showing only a few minor chips in the paint, nothing that detracts from its overall clean and well-kept appearance. The odometer reads just 52,000 miles, and based on the condition of the frame and the minimal wear on the brake pedal, that figure appears to be accurate. It's clear this truck has been cared for and used sparingly over the years. Mechanically, the truck is solid with only one known issue: it needs a new accelerator pump. Despite this, it still drives smoothly and can be used as is without immediate repair. Number 4. 1990 Ford F-150, price $6,000. This truck is a well-preserved, one-owner classic that's ready for its next adventure. With just 135,000 original miles on the odometer, it features a reliable manual transmission and a bold red exterior paired with a matching red interior. This two-door truck comes equipped with a 6.5-foot bed and a fully carpeted camper shell complete with built-in speakers, making it an excellent choice for weekend getaways, camping, fishing trips, or even as a dependable work truck. Powered by gasoline and featuring dual gas tanks, it's ideal for long road trips without frequent fuel stops. The truck has been well maintained, runs strong, and shifts smoothly, showing clear signs of pride in ownership. It's clean inside and out, both mechanically and cosmetically, and comes with a clean title in hand. Number 5. 1992 Chevrolet 1500, price $5,500. This pickup is a solid and reliable Southern-owned truck out of Tennessee, known for being completely rust-free, a rare find for its age. It features a black exterior paired with a bold red interior, giving it a classic and eye-catching look. Equipped with an automatic transmission and a smooth-shifting 6-cylinder engine, the truck runs strong with no mechanical issues, making it dependable from day one. Despite its automatic transmission, it features a shift stick setup, offering a unique blend of control and ease of use. The clutch is brand new, and the vehicle operates on a 2WD drivetrain. Both the body and frame are in excellent, solid condition, highlighting its well-preserved Southern heritage. Number 6. 1988 Ford Ranger, price $6,999. It features a 5-speed manual transmission paired with a fuel-efficient 2.3L inline 4-cylinder engine and a 2x4 drivetrain, making it an excellent choice for those looking for a dependable and simple classic pickup. The exterior and interior are both red, giving the truck a bold, vintage look. Several important maintenance items have already been taken care of. It has new shocks, a new fuel filler hose, a new ignition switch, new front brake calipers, new spark plugs, and a new air filter. An oil change and a transmission fluid change were both completed within the last 60 days. It's important to note that this Ranger was not factory equipped with an air conditioning system. However, it does come with a JVC head unit that includes Bluetooth and hands-free calling capabilities for added convenience. The registration is valid until October 2025, and it includes a climber's shop manual for those who like to work on their own vehicles. The title pink slip is in hand and ready to go. Number 7. 1991 Chevrolet S10, price $5,300, featuring a sleek black exterior and an automatic transmission. Under the hood, it's powered by a reliable 4.3L V6 engine paired with a brand new 700R4 automatic transmission, ensuring smooth and efficient performance on the road. Several major components have been replaced or upgraded, including a new engine radiator, transmission radiator, and AC radiator, all contributing to improved cooling and reliability. The braking system is completely new, and all engine sensors have been replaced for optimal performance. It also comes with a new throttle body and fuel injectors, while the ignition system has been refreshed with a new distributor, spark plugs, and spark plug cables. This S10 rides on brand new rims and tires, adding both style and functionality. It runs and drives smoothly, making it a dependable daily driver or weekend cruiser. The registration is up to date, and it comes with a clean title in hand ready for its next owner. Number 8. 1987 GMC Sierra 3500, price $3,000, features a brown exterior with a tan interior. It's powered by a 454 big block Chevy engine paired with a TH400 automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. Originally bought as a project, it has received many upgrades, including a brand new interior, all new light lenses, tires, sensors, spark plugs, wires, battery, TBI, air cleaner, headers, header mufflers, and fresh fluids. It starts and idles well but still needs tuning for proper low and high idle to avoid bogging on acceleration. The current owner is letting it go due to needing more space for a growing family, as the bench seat no longer suits their needs. A great classic truck with strong potential and most of the hard work already done. Number 9. 1994 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,500, reliable truck that's powered by a strong 5.7L 350 TBI V8 engine, known for its durability and smooth performance. With 187,000 miles on the odometer, it has proven itself to be a dependable workhorse, especially on long hauls and trailer towing across state lines. The truck features an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. Its blue exterior, while overall in good shape, does show signs of age with some clear coat peeling. The interior is partially complete, though the headliner is missing, and the air conditioning is non-functional. The truck's core mechanical integrity more than makes up for these cosmetic shortcomings. Structurally, it has a solid frame and is completely rust-free, making it a great choice for anyone seeking a no-nonsense daily driver or tow vehicle. Number 10. 1998 Dodge Ram 2500, price $4,000, classic full-size truck with 239,000 miles. Powered by a 5.9L V8 and an automatic transmission, it runs and shifts great. The 4x4 works perfectly, and it's equipped with a cowl hood, 4-inch lift, and dual exhaust that gives it a tough look and great sound. The blue exterior pairs well with the gray interior, and the power windows work as they should. It recently received a full synthetic oil change and filter. While the gas gauge doesn't function and the AC and heat only blow from the top vents, the truck is solid overall. With a clean title in hand, this 27-year-old Dodge Ram still makes an excellent tow rig, work truck, or daily driver. It's in good shape for its age and features the timeless, classic Dodge body style.